Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you on a tour of a studio room at Disney's Boulder Ridge. So I was in room 1546, which is an accessible room. Also in my intro, I called it Disney's Boulder Ridge, but I recorded that intro at 1 a.m. It's actually called Disney's Boulder Ridge Villas, so I'm saying it now. Here's the room from the doorway. To your left is the bathroom and to the right is the kitchenette. You have lots of things here. You have your microwave, you have your refrigerator. In those cabinets, you have dishes, cups, paper towels, lots of things. There's a coffee maker, coffee, toaster, ice bucket, and to-go cups for your coffee or tea. And in the drawer is a can opener, wine opener, and utensils. A studio sleeps 5 people. It's 356 square feet, and there's a queen-size bed. The couch pulls out into a queen-size bed, and there's also a Murphy bed that sleeps 1. There are 136 villas at Disney's Boulder Ridge Villas, and they're located in a freestanding building to the right of Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Hit the like button if you'd like a video all about that resort. That's where that Murphy bed is that I was telling you about earlier. There's the TV, which plays the Walt Disney World TV channel, it has like the best music in the entire world. It's so relaxing. I will play it on YouTube while I write, and it's the best. And we have the bedside table, which has 2 outlets, a phone, a Bible, the Walt Disney World pens, which I always bring back with me. I have like a huge pile of them, and a pad of paper. Here's a dresser with empty drawers. There's a pull-out couch, and I went to see if this opened, and it didn't. Here's a nice view of the couch for you and the rest of the room. Then you have the adjoining room door, very aesthetically pleasing. I really like kind of that barn door feel. The TV again, and a desk with 2 chairs, and I love how they incorporated the desk into the Murphy bed. I thought that was a great way to use the space. In the closet, there's a safe, hangers, iron, pack-and-play crib, and an extra blanket with pillows. And if you've ever stayed at a Disney resort, you know that it's always cold, so definitely pull out that extra blanket. There's the thermostat if you'd rather turn up the heat, and the light switches. And here's the accessible bathroom. And there's me. I just come from Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party, so I'm still dressed up a little bit. Very cool sink. It's a large sink too. And there is the large shower with the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, hair dryer, and a seat that folds down, which I will do for you right now. And if you're wondering, when I showered, the water didn't splash out of the curtains and onto the floor by the sink area. That didn't really happen. And here is the Murphy bed when it's all pulled down. It was very easy. You just push those buttons on the left and right side on the top. See kind of those rectangular buttons? You push down on those and the bed comes down. And here is my room view. I took this the next morning. It's a very pretty landscape view. I was on the first floor, and that was a patio door that I could pull open if I wanted. That's all I have for today. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.